Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you can see, I'm filling in my eyebrows because today I'm going to show you guys what essentially I'm going to look like on Halloween. Happy Halloween. This is going to go up on the 31st of October. And so I'm not really like making them super nice, and it's not on purpose, but I guess it's better because I'm gonna be a witch. I did mention in my not so makeupy voiceover that I didn't want to be a witch and blah blah. I do have a costume for a witch, and it's just one that I didn't want to wear, so I'm not gonna wear it. But I did purchase this cute hat from the 99-cent store, and it just has like a bunch of little skulls on it. So what I'm envisioning is purple, like smoky eyeshadow with like a black lip, all black like clothing, and that hat, and it will look so cute. Since it lands on a Thursday, I'm gonna have to go to work that day, and there's gonna be a little Halloween dance for the kids and stuff, so that's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna clean my brows using this L'Oreal Infallible concealer. It's almost out, so hopefully you guys will be seeing that in the upcoming empties video. I'm just gonna clean up the bottom part. I do have to do my eyebrows soon because they're looking a little wild, but using concealer down here does like kind of hide the hairs the unwanted hairs, and it just kind of makes it look more clean. I am filming this a couple days before Halloween. Today we're gonna go watch the movie Zombieland. I don't know how it's gonna go, but it looks kind of funny. Hopefully it's good. Let me know if you're gonna go trick-or-treating. That's the one thing that I miss about being a kid, is being able to trick-or-treat. I did try like a couple years ago. I was still in high school, but you know, people give you like certain looks, especially when you don't have any like kids in your family, and it's only you and your sister. Like, you guys are already older, so they give you like those weird looks. So I'm not gonna trick-or-treat. Let me know what you guys are doing. I know a lot of people that have little ones, so I'm sure you guys are gonna go trick-or-treating. I'm gonna go in and prime my lids using my Primer Potion little baby one, but it's like running out. Yeah, and I felt weird about like trying to change my costume because for so many years I've always been a witch. I have mentioned to you guys that I just love witches, like any witch movies, anything that has to do with witches I love. And so I felt weird about trying to change it up, like trying to be Spider-Man or something, but yeah, I decided just to go with the witch like I always do. I just love it. And I feel like just a hat and some like dark eyeshadow, black lipstick really makes a Halloween look. I did just film my review video for Master of Fright eyeshadow palette. If you want to give that a watch, that should be up on my channel already. If you haven't already watched it, it's going to be down below. Such a good video. I was really surprised at the end result. I hope you guys watch that one. That one's really nice, and it was really fun to film as well. Today for our eyeshadow, I'm going to the Beauty Creation Seduce Me palette. This is one that I did a review on my channel as well. It contains a lot of purple shades and some deep shades, so I do want to kind of deepen it up, do some purple, smoke it out a bit. So I'm gonna go into Dirty Talk, which is this like light shade. Tap off the excess because it's so powdery, and just start out, because when I think of witches I think purples and like just smoky situation. I know that Manny MUA came out with like a super interesting palette with purples and greens and stuff, so I think that's a really interesting palette. I'm not gonna pick it up, but I do really want to see how it looks in person because packaging wise it looks really nice. We're gonna go into Risque. This is like the perfect purple too. I'm going to Favors, and I'm just gonna go into with my finger and put that all over the put that all over the lid. I'm going to 50 Shades, which is this deeper purple, and put some of that on. Let's blend together. Go into Explicit, which is this deep shade. It's like a deep purple shade, and go in the outer corner just to kind of deepen it up. There's like two little black cats outside my window right now, like little babies. Oh. I mentioned in my review video for this palette that the deeper shades are a little hard to blend out, but here I go using them. But they're like really pigmented and like definitely darkening up the outer corner. I want it to be like super smoky. Now that that's done, I'm going to this Rimmel Scandal Eyes waterproof eyeliner and make a wing. Did cut off like the little ball that was at the tip. I didn't really enjoy that, so. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my Amuse 14K Gold primer, and it seems it's running out. It's almost out of here. I'm just gonna go on the outer portions. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer on the inner portions of my face. And I'm just going to like with the brush, just because it's easier. I don't like using my fingers that much. And such a good primer. Going in with some L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This one's in 490. It's called Golden Amber. All over the face. And my Sonia Kashuk sponge. I've really been enjoying using this one. I'm still using the first one. It's so easy to use and it just blends out everything so fast. Always forget. I like to like literally squish some foundation in the nose area, because I know at first I wouldn't do this, but it does make a difference because then you could see like the foundation not blended in there. So I would recommend if you don't do that to like start to see, because for me I would always forget to do that, and then I don't know how it would look. And then also bring it down from here, kind of like drag it a little bit just to blend it in to your neck, because we don't want it to look like a mask. And also like by the ears here. Also into the hairline, because that's like the insecurity for me. Sometimes I pull up my hair and it's not like super blended into the hairline a little bit. I hate when it gets into my hair, but it needs to be blended in. Oh my gosh, a yellow butterfly just passed by my window. Okay, this foundation is so pretty, and it's weird to say, but I kind of like the smell that it has. It smells really good. Next, we're gonna go into concealer. I have this one, which I already mentioned, which is the L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and this one's almost out. So I'm gonna add some of my Covergirl Undercover TruBlend Undercover concealer in Golden Natural M100, just to brighten up the under eyes a bit. So I'm gonna, oh my gosh, it's like running out. Just put some of this under and everywhere else. The only place that I'm gonna put this one is under my eyes, just because it's super light. I always tend to go lighter, not on purpose, but I really enjoy these concealers mixed together. I wish I had a Covergirl concealer that matched me, but I really like how mixed together it really does brighten up the under eyes. Going in with my Wet n Wild contour palette. This is like literally well loved. As you can see, I'm gonna tap into this shade and set the under eyes. Enjoy this palette. I already purchased another one, but I really want to get a use as much as I can of this palette. To set the entire face, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. For the powder, I really enjoy this one. I already had pan, as you can see. It didn't have pan when I started using it, but if you watch my... oh wait, no, I haven't uploaded my empties video yet. It's gonna come out next week. I did finish a loose powder, so now I'm using this one. This one's really nice. I feel like pressed powders are easier to finish up because it's pressed, and you know, I usually just swirl my brush in there. I don't know, I wasn't really a big fan of this powder for a while because it doesn't keep me matte for a long time, but I love how it looks on the skin. This shade here, and since it's for Halloween, I'm gonna go a little more intense. I wanted to use like a gray toned contour, but I feel like this one works rather well. I can go a little more crazy, just like to really define the cheekbones. Yesterday we went to a fall fair and it was super fun. It was actually only a $15 entrance. I believe it's still going on, but the rides are free, and they had really cool rides too. They had a truck that was like free food. They had some like little stands. It was really nice, really fun. I love that the rides were free because you get to go on whichever ones you want. I really recommend it. I'll put the name on the screen. I forgot what it's called, but it was really fun. I'm gonna go into this palette, this blush palette that I got at the 99-cent store, and blush my face up. These, it did already break on me, so. And just gonna go a little harsh because I'm gonna go back with that powder brush anyway to diffuse. I feel for Halloween you could kind of be a little more adventurous with your makeup because of the concept that it's not really you, you're actually like a character or like an iconic image like a witch or whatever. And oh, I really like how that looks. I'm gonna go with my powder brush and just kind of go over it just to kind of diffuse it around like the forehead, just to kind of blend in the contour with the blush, just so everything is mixed in. I'm gonna go in with some of this EBIN holographic highlighter, and this one's in Galactic Purple Haze, and maybe add some in my inner corner. I have talked about this before. I do have a rank in my highlighters video on my channel. If you want to give that a watch, it'll be linked down below, but it's definitely really purple, so I'm going to go in with some of that. So I'm going to go into this Revolution times Soph palette and go into this icy purple and go over that. I'm gonna spray it so it could be a little more vibrant. Since the eyes are so dark. Yeah, that definitely brings light into this look. I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line and I'll be right back. Okay, going in with some L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is a new tube just to throw on. I really like how it looks without the lashes though. It looks really cute. I was gonna wear these YL Cosmetics 3D03 lashes. We'll see. I'm gonna do my lips first. Or actually, I'm gonna set my brows with this Essence Make Me Brow in Brownie Brows. To go into lips, I'm just gonna use this auto eyeliner by LA Colors on the lips. I doubt it's gonna like do something to them. In with this Black Heart Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This one came in a set of 4 and I never use it, but finally the time has come. Those are the lips. This is a really nice black, and I'm gonna attempt to put these on. If I don't like how it looks, I'm just gonna come back and we'll end the video. Okay, so this is the final look. As you can see, the lashes are like kind of crazy, but definitely fit the theme of Halloween. This is the final look. It's like purple smoky situation, and I really like how this looks. This is the hat that I bought. As you can see, it's like, I like that it stands up on its own. Opposed to some, like, I remember like back in the day when I was little, we used to put like newspaper in it so it could stand up. I really like how this look came out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would change or add to the look to make it a little more witchy, and I hope you enjoyed. We made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, the names of the prices, everything will be down below, as well as some videos from last week or any videos that I mentioned today will be in the description box below. I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed right here. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high-end. If that's what you like, then head over there. It would be amazing to have you. It would be amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like. Happy Halloween. I hope you guys are safe out there. Make sure you check your candy. Have a lot of fun, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.